ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார்.
देवीं वाचमजनयन्त देवाः विश्वरूपाः पशवो वदन्ति सा नो मन्द्रेशमूर्जन्दुहाः नाधेनुर्वागस्मानुपसुष्टुतैतु यो नः पिता जनिता यो धाता धामानि वेद भुवनानि विश्व यो देवानान्नामघायेक एव तं सम्प्रश्न्यं भुवनायन्त्यन्य. Good evening, everybody. I derive immense pleasure in welcoming the chief guest, Dr. S. Swaminathan, the head of the department of Ayurveda in Sri Jayendra Saraswati Ayurveda College for this joyous occasion. It is the fourth lecture in the webinar series organized by the esteemed Shastra deemed it to be university. I welcome the chief guest on behalf of the management of Shastra University and on behalf of the Department of Oriental Studies and on behalf of you, the beloved students. Dr. Swaminathan is such an expert. He has written his name indelibly in the scroll of fame by his towering personality and achievements. He is such an expert in Ayurveda that by observing the gait of an individual, he can tell whether his body is Kapha Shariram, Pitta Shariram, or Vata Shariram. And today, the 27th Pasuram of Tirupavai is being chanted, recited in all Vishnu temples, Kudarivalli, for conquering all enemies, both external and internal. Sri Vedanta Desika has written one shloka, one stotram known as Sri Hayagriva Stotram. It is his masterpiece. It contains all concepts of several subjects, including Ayurveda. And it is recited for curing nervous problems. Why there is a connection between Hayagriva Stotram and nerves, nobody knows it. But in Shastra University, one scholar is doing research on Sri Hayagriva Stotram, and he has arrived at the result that if you take the opening stanza of Sri Hayagriva Stotram, that is Jnananandamayam, and if you apply Vedic numerical code, it contains the number 106, the term is 106. Whereas in Charaka Samhita, Charaka has given 107 vulnerable points of the body, Marmasthanani. Jnananandamayam devam nirmala sphatika kritim adharam sarva vidyanam hayagrivam upasmahe. So there is a concept of Katapaya Sankhya or Vedic numerical code, right from Vedic ages. And if it is applied to this particular shloka, you get the total of 106. Whereas Charaka's Marmasthanani is 107. And deliberately, willingly, wantonly, purposely, Vedanta Desika has omitted one number. May the neighboring, and he invokes Lord Hayagriva, Hayavadana Hesha Halahalaha, Hayavadana Hesha Halahalaha, Ashwanam Hesha. So the Halahala Karaha is the neighing sound of horse. That is called the Halahala Shabda. So may the inhalation sound generated by the Lord Hayagriva remove, dispel the darkness, both the inner and outer darkness. Okay. So we have to conquer all the enemies, both the internal and external. That is for Kudarivalli. Kudarivalli. Okay. And Lord Chesterton says, in one of his essays, the incredible thing about miracles is that sometimes they do happen. Similarly, even this small booklet, this stotra is a small booklet containing only 32 stotras. It contains all subjects under the sun. Vedanta Deshika has written this as a treatise for several subjects under the sun. I'll give one by one. For example, halahalaha, kayavadana hesha halahalaha. Halahalaha means if you say only it is the neighing sound of horse. But Dr. N.S. Ramananda Tattacharya, in his commentary on Shatadushani, has given a different meaning, using Vyakarana Shastram of Panini, hallucha, ahallucha. Hall means we use the hal pratyahara of Panini, hayavaratil, landing amanganam, jabangi, gadadashi, jabakadashi, kappa, chatata, chatata, kapai, shashasar, hal. So all these consonants are denoted by the symbol hal. Ahal means other letters other than other letters. That is ach. Up to this. So this is called ahal. So hallucha, ahallucha. So halahalaha. So this beautiful meaning is given in the commentary of Shatadushani by Dr. N.S. Ramananda Tattacharya, a great erudite scholar of Sanskrit, and it is often quoted by our Srimad Andavan, Srimad Andavan, the previous pontiff. And usually if you see the Podikai news or DD news, first of all they will give the news in summary for a few lines. After they will elaborate. Similarly, Sri Vedanta Deshika has given the opening shloka for Ayurveda to cure nervous problems, mentioning the 106 vulnerable points of the body, and the remaining 32 slokas omitting the Palashruti. If you take the first letters of all the slokas and find the total, again you will get 106. That is a miracle. That is why I said the incredible thing about miracles is that sometimes they do happen. And not only that, Vedanta Deshika has given the divisions, various divisions of vulnerable points as per Charaka. That is Mamsa Marmani, that is muscle Marma points, Sandhi Marmani, joy in Marma points, Asthi Marmani, bone Marma points, Snayu Marmani, ligament Marma points, and Sira Marmani, blood vessel Marma points. So if you take the opening shloka, take the second, Uttarardham, Adharam, Sarva Vidyanam, Hayagrivam, Agrivam. So you start from A meaning since, Grivam, Griva means neck, Agriva means up to neck. Up to neck, you find the total using that Vedic numerical code or Katapaya code, you will get the same total as Charaka mentions in his Charaka Samhita. So not only that, another division based on sites is also given by Sri Vedanta Deshika in his poem, Udara Marmani, thorax and abdomen, and Prishtha, Shakha, and Urga Jatru, neck and head. So all these 4 divisions have been mentioned beautifully and wondrously in Hayagriva Shastram, and on the basis of properties he has mentioned Saumya Marmani, Kapha, and Vayavya Marmani according to Vata, and Agneya Marmani according to Pitta, and Saumya Greya, and Kapha and Pitta. Agno Samidha Chisapta Tantaha Atathivan Mantramayam Shariram Akhandazareir Havisham Pradanihi Apyahayanam Vyoma Zadam Vidhatse. If you take that, that will denote the code for Vata, that is Agneya, Pitta, Agneya Marmani. So these Marma points, Bindu, a dot, a secret dot or mystic points, he mentions in his shloka, 16th shloka of Hayagriva Shastram, Swamin Bhavadhyana Sudhabhishekat Bhahanti Dhanyaha Pulakanubandham Te Kwapi Nirudhamulam Angeshvivanandatvankurantam. So touching the Marmasthanam changes the whole body's biochemistry and can unfold radical alchemical change in one's makeup. It is a consequence of a firm-rooted happiness, real bliss in some unidentifiable spot which has manifested itself on every limb. So they derive a glee thereby contemplating on you, O Lord Hayagriva, unceasingly, incessantly, without a break and without an interruption. And not only that, it can be treated as, it can be considered as a treatise on Ayurveda. It is a treatise on astrology, Hayagriva Sutra, because he mentions all 9 planets and the properties in several shlokas. You have to find it. Mando yatam virinchas Shanishara. Brigaspatim vartayase yatastvam. Brigaspati is Lord Jupiter. Chandrodayavardhamam, moon, Jupiter, moon. Sharadghane Chandram ivaspurantam Chandra. So he mentions all planets. Prabodha Sindhor Arunai Prakashaihi. He mentions Buddha, the planet Buddha. And it can be treated as a treatise on gemology. Hayagriva Sostram. Pravala Sanghata Mibodhahan. The Pravala is coral. Bibrat Bhinnas Patika Ruchire Punda is Patikam. Shuddhas Patika Mani Bhubhrit Pratibhatam. And it the Shastra. Atasthivan Mantramayam Shariram. He mentions it in his Yunana with Shlokas. Atasthivan Mantramayam Shariram. Dakshinyaramya Girishasya Murti. He gives, he indicates Dakshinamurti Mantram in that particular shloka. And not only that, Saraswatim Samshitaka Madhenum. In that shloka, you can find Saraswati Mantram. Brigaspatim Vartayase Yatastvam. You can find the Brigaspati Mantra recited as per Yajurveda in that particular shloka. And again, wondrously, you can draw a paint, you can draw a picture of Lord Hayagriva using the 32 dots of 32 shlokas. He gives the directions. Prachi Sandhya, go by east. Prachi Sandhya, Pachitantar Nishaya. Go west, Swamin Praticha, Hridayera Dhanyaha. Go south, Dakshinyaramya Girishasya Murtihi. Go by north, Vamam Karam Dakshinamashita, Vamam Karam Dakshinamashita. Again come to east, Pragnirmitanam Tapasambika Vipakaha. So you have to study deeply. So if one delves into the realm of Sri Hayagriva Stotram, you can find all subject under the sun. He quotes marine engineering. Nachapi tirtheshu kritavatirtha. So if you read Hayagriva Stotram, you have gone to all tirthas in India. Nachapi tirtheshu kritavatarah mandakini mandayitum kshamante. Mandakini, he mentions Mandakini. Vela mudara mipadugdha sindho. He goes to the Milky Ocean. Saraswatim Samshitaka Madherum. So you can delve deep into the river of Saraswati. Daya Taranga Nujarah Katakshaha. And finally ends in Manasarovar. Avir Bhuya Danagamahima Manase Vagadhisha. So if you read Hayagriva Stostram, this one particular shloka, so that is why we have the saying, Orandru Thane Amayado Dharanil Valvark Vanera Pobalavum Valvu. So if you study Hayagriva Stotra well, you can master all subject under the sun. And so today, Dr. Swaminathan is going to deliver and talk on Ayurveda. So I quoted the vulnerable points of the body as per Sri Swami Hayagriva, as per Swami Sri Vedanta Deshika. So stimulation of these vulnerable points, these inner pharmacy pathways, signals the body to produce exactly what it needs, including and neurochemicals that heal the body, mind and consciousness. So this deep dimension of Marma therapy of Ayurveda has the potential to unfold spiritual healing. So with these few words, I invite Dr. Swaminathan to deliver a speech. Again, I welcome one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, video. நான் தெரியலையே. My pranams to acharyas,